ॐ खानिलाज्ञब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः त्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पूर्व पक्ष in Naishkarmya Siddhi is proposing Aneka Rasa Brahma, Brahma which has Swagata Bheda. In such Brahma, he says, Jnana Karma Samujjaya is possible. And he suggested that moksha can be attained in this way. That moksha will be attaining Aneka Rasa Brahma. Siddhanti said, what is the role of karma? Because if you have Brahmatva means Abhimana of all, then you will have all jati. You will do Brahmana karma, Kshatriya karma, Vaishya karma. All karmas you will end up doing. And Adhikari Vyavastha will not be there. Purvapakshi said, after Jnanam also he will have some Deha Abhimanam. This was the Shanka. And therefore, some Vidhi can be there. See Moolam, Shloka 75, page number 44. 75 means after 74, the line in the Moolam after 74. Syad Vidhihi Adhyatma Abhimanat iti chet. There can be Vidhi because there is Adhyatma Abhimanam. Adhyatma Abhimanam means Dehadi Abhimanam. So he will have some Dehadi Abhimanam. And he will identify as Brahmana Kshatriya. So he will have some karma. For karma there can be Vidhi. Iti chet Naivam. Naivam. See Tika on the next page. Pariharati Naivam Yasmat. Nachadhyatmabhimanopi
चाध्यात्माभिमानोऽपि
Vidushostya
विदुषोऽस्त्यासुरत्वतः
Vidushopyasurashchetस्यान्
विदुषोऽस्त्यासुरस्य
Nishkalam Brahmadarshanam.
निष्कलं ब्रह्मदर्शनम् न चाध्यात्मा
Nachadhyatmabhimanopi Vidushostyasurत्वतः
विदुषोऽस्त्यासुरस्य
Vidushopyasurashchetस्यान् Nishkalam Brahmadarshanam.
ब्रह्मदर्शनम्
विदुषो न च अध्यात्म अभिमानः अपि स्यात्. Or we can do anvay this way. Na. Vidusho api na is when the Siddhanti said na, that is his pratiknya to refute Purvapaksha. Then he explains. Vidushopi adhyatma abhimano asti asuratvatah. Vidushopi asuraschet syad nishphalam brahma darshanam. Brahma darshanam nishphalam syad. If Jnani also has dehabhimana, then Jnani's Brahma Jnanam is Nishphalam. Brahma Darshanam means Brahma Jnanam. So, Anvaya of the first line, Vidusho Adhyatma Abhimano Apina. Why? Asuratvatah. Because Dehadi Abhimana is Asuram. Asuram means Ajnanam. Asura here means Ajnanam. Dehadi Abhimanam is only out of ignorance. If I have Deha Abhimanam, then I don't have Brahma Jnanam. If I have Brahma Jnanam, there is no Deha Abhimanam. Then Deha is just completing its prarabdha. See Tika. Vidushas Tattva Vido Adhyatma Abhimanaha Shariradi Abhimano Nasti. Vidushaha means Tattva Vidaha. For a Jnani, Adhyatma Abhimanaha means Shariradi Abhimano Nasti. Why? Tasya Asura Moha Nimittattvena. Dehadi Abhimanam is Asura Moha Nimittattvena. Asura means Ajnana. Ajnana Janya Moha, Moha Janya Dehadi Abhimana. Asura Moha Nimittattvena tas Tattva Jnanad eva Nivritter Dehadi Abhimana Nivrittaucha Adhikara Vyavastha Dura Pasta Syadityartha. Tattva Jnanam will remove Dehadi Abhimana. Tattva Jnanam will remove Dehadi Abhimana. Dehadi Abhimana, when it is gone, Adhikar Vyavastha. Adhikar Vyavastha means who will do which karma. That will also go away. Dura Pastasya. Durat Apasta. From far, they are kept aside. I mean, there is no question of Varna Ashrama or any karma for a Jnani. Because Varna Ashrama requires Deha Abhimana. Jnani does not have that. Tarhi Dehadi Abhimana Siddhaye Jnaninopi Moho Abhipagamyata Ityataha. Then for Dehabhimanam, understand that Jnani also has some moha. He is a Jnani. But some Ajnana. Oh, somebody was saying here in Hathi nikal gaya, lekin pooch reh gayi. In one of the class, one Swamiji was saying, elephant has gone. Now the tail is remain. There is no such thing. These are all fanciful expressions. In the Laukika thing, it is possible. In Brahma Jnanam, there is no such thing. That Hathi nikal gaya or pooch reh gayi, there is no such thing. You know, that elephant is already out, but the tail is still stuck. Brahma Jnanam is very clear. Either you have it or you don't have it. Ghata Jnanam, either you have it or you don't have it. Pata Jnanam, either you have it or you don't have it. Rajju Jnanam, similarly, Brahma Jnanam. You can say work in progress and this and that and all nice things. Main thing is this much only. Either you are in or either you are awake or you are sleeping. That's all. That's why ya nisha sarva bhutanam tasyam jagrati sanyami. Yasyam jagrati bhutani sa nisha pashyato mune. There is nothing in between. That's why it was said, Tattva Jnana Deva Dehadi Abhimana Nivritti. Person who does not, somebody had asked a question. What if I have Jnana, but I have not taken Karma Sannyasa? Right? That was one question. So, such Jnani, who is Jnani, but not Karma Sannyasi, then he will do Karma or not? This was the question. You, instead of just straight away answering this question, right, we should think, what is the objective of karma? Whether Laukika karma or Vaidika karma, why do anyone do it? And to perform karma as an injunction, you need some abhimana. You know, when you do Yajnopavita samskara, they will ask, this ceremony should be done for which Veda? Those who have done it, they will know. And that's why when Upakarma is there, Upakarmas are different for different Veda on different days. Rig Veda Upakarma is different day. Yajur Veda is on different day. Sama Veda is on different day. You know this or not?
Yes, Swami.
Yes.
So, if someone says, I have realized I am Brahman, I have to do some karma. So they will ask, to which Veda do you belong? So now you are Brahman. What answer you will get? There is no answer. They will ask, what is your Gotra? What is the Gotra of Brahma? Brahma has no Gotra. To do any karma, Gotra Nakshatra they will ask. So, instead of asking this question, can someone who is a Jnani do karma or not? The real answer is, to do karma, what all things are required, as this Gotra, Nakshatra, what Veda I belong, all of that is already out. Second, karma performance is only out of some sense of obligation. And because I feel, if I do, I will get punya. If I don't do, I will get some papa, pratyavaya. And also there is a fear of society. If I don't do, people will think this fellow he doesn't belong to our community anymore. So I'll do it. Jnani doesn't have such fear. He doesn't think that people will throw me out of community. He'll be so happy if nobody wants him. Only Jnani will know how happy he will be. Ajnanis will not know. So there is no possibility of dehabhimanam and any karma. Brahma jnanasya ajnana nivartakatve tasya nishphalatvam prasajyeta ततश्च विदुषो नास्ति एव मोह इति अभ्युपगन्तव्यम् इत्यर्थः. But then that Brahmagnani doesn't have any social obligations also. Huh? You don't think that I will not do any Vedic karma. Social karmas I have to do because of social pressure. And then I have to go and like be present in all the gatherings. There is no such thing. If he wants to go, he may go. Doesn't want to go, nothing can pressurize him. Brahmagnanasya ajnana nivartakatve. Brahmagnanam is ajnana nivartakatve. Tasya nishphalatvam prasajyeta. Katham nishphalatvam prasajyeta? How Brahmagnanam will become nishphalam?
Because Dehadi Abhimana is still there.
So moha is there. Moha is still remaining, which is supposed to go. So it's like I have turned on the light, but darkness has not gone. Means the turning on of the light is nishphalam. The bulb is not working or electricity is not there, something. Tatasya vidusho nasti eva moha iti abhyupagantavyam ityartha. Therefore, Jnani does not have moha. This has to be accepted. Nasti eva moha. Further. Vrittanudravana purvakam uttara shlokasya sangatim aha. Vritta anudravana purvakam. Dru gatau dhatu. Anudravana purvakam means going in the flow. Mentioning of what has already happened. Vritta means purvakathitam. Purvakathitasya anudravana purvakam uttara shlokasya sangati. Now next shloka sangati he gives. Moolam. Ajnana karyatvacha na samakalam napi kramena jnana karmanor vastva vastu tantratvat sangati asti. Iti evam nirakritopi kasham kusham va avalambya aha. Ajnana karyatvat. Karma is ajnana karya. Ajnana karyatvat karmana. Na samakalam napi kramena jnana karmanoho sangatihi asti. Jnana karma samuchaya cannot be there samakalam together. All or kramena. Kramena means first sometime jnanam, then karma, then jnanam in this way. Why? Vastu avastu tantratvat. Vastu tantra is what?
Jnanam.
Avastu tantra will be
Karma.
karma. So vastu avastu tantratvat. Jnana karma sangati is not here. In this way, Siddhanti has already done nirakaranam of Purvapaksha. Evam nirakrito api. Vadi, Purvavadi. Kasham kusham va avalambya aha. Gathering some kasham kusham. You know, when a person, let us say he goes to this Char Dham Yatra somewhere up, and somewhere, you know, the main road is like you have to go this way, this way, this way. Then there are in between some shortcuts that you can go this, like instead of going all the way, where all the horses and the palanquins and all of them go. Some young people, they take some shortcuts. Imagine you are trying to go by that shortcut and you slip because it's very slippery. There is no road. There is no place to even put your foot. And most people wear such shoes or chappals which easily can slide. You have to grab whatever that comes. That is kasham kusham avalambya. Some grass is there, some shrubs are there, you catch. If you end up slipping and you don't want to see how far down you would have gone, because it is not going down, it is going up. If you go down, you will go up straight. So, kasham kusham avalambya aha sitika. अज्ञान कार्यत्वे अपि वस्तु परतंत्रस्य ज्ञानस्य अवस्तु परतंत्रस्य च कर्म. अज्ञान कार्यम is there karma, but in ajnanam also, if you take ajnana karyam, this was discussed earlier, jnanam is also ajnana karyam, karma is also ajnana karyam, but jnanam will destroy ajnana, karma will keep ajnana. Jnanam is vastu paratantra, means vastu tantra. Karma is vastu, avastu paratantra, means purusha tantra. Samakalam kramena va sangatir na sambhavati. Simultaneously or in sequence. Samakalam kramena va sangatihi na sambhavati. Iti evam adhastana shlokena nirakritam. Adhastana. What is the pratyaya here? Sayantana, Chirantana. What is the pratyaya? Tutulau. Tutulau tutcha. You remember? Sayam chiram prahve pragre avyayebhyas. Tutulau tutcha. This is the sutra. 4.3.23. अधस्तन श्लोकेन निराकृतम अपि विदुषो अनुभव सिद्धस्य देहादि अभिमानस्य युक्त्या निराकरणम अयुक्तम. Purva Paksha says you are using yukti to say jnani doesn't have dehabhimana. But our anubhava shows jnani has dehabhimana. Adhasthana shlokena means purva shlokena. Jnana karma samuchaya is not possible, Siddhanti said. Purva Pakshi says, but jnani has dehabhimana. So yuktya nirakaranam ayuktam. Because jnani, it feels jnani is eating, jnani is bathing, jnani is walking, jnani does lot of vyavahara. इति एतद् आलम्ब्य पुनः प्रत्यवतिष्ठते. प्रत्यवतिष्ठते. What is the dhatu? Stha dhatu is parasmaipadi or atmanepadi?
Parasmaipadi.
Avatishthate, how atmanepadi pratyaya comes?
Samava pravabhyastaha.
Samava
Pravabhyastaha.
pravabhya is not. Pravibhya. Samava pravibhya. Sam ava pravi. Four upasargas are there. Pratyavatishtate means he is arguing against once again. One more time. Once again he is against the Siddhanti. Athadhyatmam punaryaya dashrito mudatam bhavet sakarotyeva karmani
Sakarotyeva karmani
guhyajñam vinivarayet
guhyatyam vinivarayat adhyatmanam punaryayat ashrito mudhatam bhavet सकरोत्येव कर्माणि गुह्यत्वं विनिवारयत्
अथाध्यात्मं पुनर्यायात् आश्रितो मूढ़तां भवेत्। अथ अध्यात्मं पुनर्यायात्, अध्यात्म मीन्स देहाभिमानम. In this context, adhyatma means dehabhimana. If dehabhimana comes back, Brahma Jnanam is there, then body identification comes back. Adhyatmam punaryayat. Ashrito mudhatam bhavet. Then the ashrita, that Purusha, has attained mudhata. Saha karoti eva karmani. Ko hi agnyam vinivarayat. Siddhanti says, then let him do karma. Because we never said Ajnani is not entitled for karma. All we are saying is Jnani is not entitled for karma. Ajnani can do what is wrong. Ajnani has to do. As long as Rajogun is there, that Ajnani has to engage in all the extroverted activities. So many things he will go on doing. Once Jnanam is there, Deha Abhiman is not there. So, Shastriya karmas are not for Jnani. You say, what about Laukika karma? Laukika karma, let me ask one question. In text like this, Naishkarma Siddhi and all, they will never discuss about Laukika karma. Because they say this question doesn't exist. Should Jnani do Laukika karma or not? Jnani will not do Vaidika karma. There is no question of Laukika karma. But if you say, no, he will do Laukika karma for
Loka Sangraha.
Loka Sangraha. For Loka Sangraha, he will do. Then, Drishta Dukkham Nanashyati. In Panchadashi, in 7th chapter, it is explained. Then, because Uparati is not there, three things have to go together. Jnanam, Vairagya, Uparati. Tattva-jnanam, lot of Vairagya and Uparati. All of them, if they are there, he will have Jivan Mukti Ananda. Uparati is not there, or Vairagya is not there. Even if Tattva-jnanam is there, he cannot enjoy Jivan Mukti. So, for Ajnani, he can do karma. We don't say he should not do karma. Kohyagnyam vinivarayet. Further, see in Tika. Avagata paramartha tattvopi punaha karya karana sanghate aham abhimanavan bhavati ityartha. Avagata paramartha tattvopi. Even somebody who has attained Paramartha Jnanam, Brahma Jnanam, Paramartha Tattva api Punaha Karya Karana Sanghate Aham Abhimanavan Bhavati Ityartha. In Dehadi Sanghata, again he becomes Abhimani. Siddhanti is Pariharati, Ashrita iti. Evan chet na asau vidita Paramartha Tattvaha. Vidita Paramartha Tattvaha, what is the Samasa? Vigraha?
Viditaha Paramartha Tattvaha Yena.
Tattva is Napunsakalinga. Tattvam. So how will be the vigraha? Viditam
विदितं परमार्थतत्त्वं येन
yena saha
सः ज्ञः.
vidita paramartha tattvaha. When you say only paramartha tattvam, it will be napunsakli. When you do anya pada, it will be pullinga. Vidita paramartha tattvaha. Na asau, he has not attained Brahma Jnana. But he is very famous. Famous and Brahma Jnanam has no connection. Kintu Agnya eva. He is Ajnani. Why? Viparita Darshanavatvat. Because in that person there is Viparita Darshana. Na vayam Agnyasya karma sambandham varayamah. Kintu Jnaninah eva. We are not denying that Ajnani will not have karma sambandha. Means that Ajnani should not do karma, we are not saying. Ajnani should do karma. Only Jnani will not have karma sambandha. Tvaya api na jnaninah sambandhah pratipaditah. Tatasya na asmakam kshatir ityarthah. And you are not saying Jnani is doing karma. What are you saying? That person who was Jnani, who now has Dehadi Abhimanam, he is doing karma. If he has Dehadi Abhimanam, he has Moha. That means he is Ajnani. Let him do karma. You are also saying that. I am also saying that. We are not disputing. Vedanta is saying Ajnani can do karma. Purvapakshi saying he was Jnani, now he has Dehabhimanam, therefore he can do karma. He said yes. If he has Dehabhimanam, he is Ajnani only. So there is no, we are not saying different things. Tika. Vidushaha karma sambhave hetvantram aha. For a Jnani, karma is not possible. In that another hetu is given. Now, which Jnani, here also you should remember, this Jnani is Anekarasa Brahma Jnani. Huh? This Jnani,
Anekarasa
what is
Brahmajnana.
Anekarasa Brahma Jnani?
केवलाभेदज्ञानी.
No. Kevala Advaita.
केवल अभेद.
Kevala Abheda.
हाँ.
Kevala Abheda. No. Instead, that is how it was said, but
74th.
But you should say Anekarasa means Swagata Bheda. Kevala Bheda is a matam for understanding Swagata Bheda. Earlier it was said in the shloka, '73, Samasta Vyasta Bhuta Brahma. This paksha. So, if somebody is Jnani of Samasta Vyasta Bhuta Brahma, Siddhatvacha na sadhyam. That Samasta Vyasta Brahma is Siddha for this Samasta Vyasta Brahma Jnani. Therefore, what will karma do? Siddhanta is asking. Therefore, karma is asambhava. Karma asambhave hetvantaram. Tika. Vidushaha swarupataya nitya siddhatvacha karmano na niyoga sadhyatvam ityarthaha. Vidushaha swarupataya. For Vidusha means this Jnani. Swagata Bheda Brahma Jnani or Samasta Vyasta Brahma Jnani. What is his Swarupa? He says his Swarupa is that Brahma. It is Nitya Siddha, Nitya Siddhatvacha Karmano na Niyoga Sadhyatvam. How will he perform karma which are enjoined on him? Karmanaha Niyoga Sadhyatvam na ityartha. Purvapakshi is asking Katham Swarupataya Siddhihi iti atah. How Swarupatah he is Samasta Vyasta Brahma Rupa. अतः सामान्येतर रूपाभ्याम कर्मात्मैवास्य योगिनः
कर्मात्मैवास्य योगिनः
श्वासोच्छ्वासवत्तस्मान्
निःश्वासोच्छ्वासवत्तस्मान्
न नियोगमिपेक्षते
न नियोगम् अपेक्षते
सामान्येतर रूपाभ्याम आत्मैवास्य योगिनः निःश्वासोच्छ्वासवत्तस्मान् न नियोगमपेक्षते. This Brahma is Samanya Itara Rupa. Samanyetara Rupabhyam. Samanyetara Rupa is of Brahma. Samanya and Itara. Itara means
Vishesha.
Vishesha.
Yes,
Samanya and Vishesha. Or Samasta and Vyasta, whichever way you take. Samanya Itara Rupabhyam. What is Samanya is in all. Vishesha is what is in individual only. Samanyatara Rupabhyam Karma Yoginah Atma eva. Asya Yoginah Karma Atma eva Karma. Or Karma eva Atma. Karmatma eva Asya Yoginah. Nishwasa Uchwasa Vat Tasmat Na Niyogam Apekshate. Sureshwaracharya says, Karma is the Atma of this yogi. Yogi means this Jnani. Which Jnani? Bheda Brahma Jnani. Or Samasta Vyasta Brahma Jnani. If he understands I am Brahma, which is of this nature, Bheda Swarupa, he has become one with all or not? He has. If he has become one with all, he has become one with karma also. Then why he has to do karma? Performance of karma is for something which is not already attained. If I have understood I am Samasta Vyasta Brahma, then what is the role of karma? That's why he said in the Moolam first, Siddhatvacha na sadhyam. Everything is Siddha. What is Sadhya remaining anymore? If you accept two sadhanas, Jnana and Karma, Jnanam will tell you are all. Correct? Whether that all is with Sajatiya Bheda or with Sajatiya, Swagata, Vijatiya, Bheda Rahita, whichever way. But Jnanam says you are that. Because that is Mahavakya Tattvamasi. Whether that is Samasta Vyasta Brahma, Bhedatmaka Brahma or Nirguna Nirvishesha Brahma, whichever one you take. If you accept that there is Jnanam and Karma, Jnanam will tell you are that. So I will understand I am Samasta Vyasta Brahma. I am Bhedatmaka Brahma. Now what will Karma do? If I am all, what is remaining to be attained which Karma will give? Nothing is remaining. So then you don't have to combine that Karma with this Jnana. That Karma is the Atma of this Jnani, Bhedavadi Jnani. This is all Tushyatu Durjana Nyaya. Huh? Let me accept what you are saying. Still, I will prove you are wrong. This is that paksha. Tushyatu Durjana Nyaya means even if I accept what you are saying, you are still wrong. Means even if I accept that Brahma is Bheda Bheda or Sajatiya Bheda, Van Brahma Bhedavat, still no, not Bheda, Bhedavan. Still, Jnana Karma Samuchaya is not possible. What to talk if it is only Nirguna Brahma, in which entire Jagat is only Mithya. So there is no way you can do Samuchaya. So karma is like Nishwasa Uchwasavat. It is like the breath of this Jnani. Do I put forth any effort for this? No, it is just happening. For that, I don't need vidhi, any injunction for breathing in and breathing out. You know, when you do pranayama, and they say, when I say breathe in, you breathe in. When I say breathe out, you breathe out. They say yes. I say breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then somebody raises a hand. I have a question. Okay, so he looks there and he starts answering. And he didn't say, now breathe out. You think all the participants, they are just going to breathe in and stop there?
No, Swamiji.
Means what? You don't need injunctions for breathing in and breathing out. Somebody who is saying is good, you can match with that. But you are not going to wait for anyone to say breathe in or breathe out. Only then you will do it. You will do it no matter what. Means you don't need vidhana. Like that hunger, thirst, you don't need vidhana. Karma has become part of this person. It is just like Nishwasa Uchvasa. Where is the question of niyogam? Enjoining this person in some karma. No, you have to do this, you have to do that. There is nothing. Na niyogam apekshate. See tika. Vidushaha sarvam vastu samanya visheshayor antarbhutam. All entire creation is within samanya vishesha. Samanya vishesha, you can just say jati vyakti rupa, or one is samanya sadrupa and vishesha is some nama rupa. Everything is included in this samanya vishesha. Samanya visheshayor antarbhutam. Tatasya karmano api samanya antapatitvat. Karma is also included in this samanya vishesha rupa. Like they will say, certain karmas are samanya and some vishesha will be there. Samanya antapatitvam, visheshanta patitvam va. Either that karma will have some samanya part, it will fall in the category of samanyam, or it will fall in the category of vishesha. Samanya visheshayoscha brahma swarupatvat tadatmakatvatcha vidushaha, and samanya vishesha rupa is brahma. That brahma is jnani. Jnani says, I am that brahma. So tadatmakatvatcha vidushaha shashti. Karma pi tasya swarupam eva. Karma is also jnani swarupa only. Tatasya asadhyatvad eva na niyoga vishayatvam. Therefore, there is nothing sadhya. It is all siddha only. I don't have to struggle to attain my swarupa. Jnanam has given that. Karma is for attaining something which is not me. What is that? There is nothing remaining. So asadhyatvadev na niyoga vishayatva. The contentment of jnani, ajnani can never understand how content jnani is. There is nothing which he is missing. There is nothing that he is lacking. And he says, as far as doing anything else is concerned, Bhagavan is already, Ishvara is there. Saguna Brahma is responsible for Utpatti Sthiti Laya. Why should anybody else add to that? Whichever way everything is happening, you just let it happen. Tad anushtanam durata eva samuchayastu tatopi duratara eva. Karma anushtanam is durataha nirakrita. Jnana karma samuchaya tatopi duratar. Even far, from far you have to give up. Eva tasmad anaikantika pakshe durupapadaha samuchaya ityarthaha. Therefore, in this anaikantika paksha, anaikantikatva means there where there is Nana Rasa Brahma. That is anaikantika paksha. Ekanta is not, means it's not a homogeneous Brahma. It is with variety, Vaichitra. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.